Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the soft girlfriend from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start with the shape of her face. Draw a curve down here on the right. And then curve it out and back over to the left. Let's draw her eyes next, starting with the right one. Draw a curve across here. And then an oval underneath for the eye, and color it in black. Next, add 2 eyelashes out on the right. Draw the other eye now to the left. The top of this eye should be a bit of a more straight curve across like this. Then add a U shape under on the right side of the eye. And color it in black as well. Now add 2 eyelashes on the top left. Next, add the mouth underneath with 2 bumps across. Let's start drawing her hair next. Draw a small curved section of hair above the left eye here. Now an S curve across the top of her face over to the right. Next, hop back over to the left and add another small curve out. Let's draw the long wavy section of hair coming down on the left now. Draw a curved line down like this. Then another wavy line down with 2 bumps. And then a long wavy line on the left to close it off. Next, draw the ear to the left with a C curve. And then add a hook shape inside. Next, draw an upwards curved section of hair under the ear here. Now move up and draw a curve above the ear. Let's hop over to the right side now. From the right side of the face, draw a curve out to the right. Now close off the top of the hair with a large wavy curve like this. Let's draw the bow on top of her head next. Draw 2 small lines up. And then a curve across to connect them. Now draw rounded triangle shapes on either side for the bow. Before adding her ponytail, let's draw her body first. Draw an S curve down from under the middle of her chin. Now on the left, an upside down U shape for her shoulder. Draw a curved line across the bottom of the lines and loop it back into the shoulder on the left. Next, add 2 bumps down on either side. And now curve across the bottom to connect the lines. Now add a curve on the right under the chin for the other shoulder. Let's continue drawing the left arm now. Draw the sides of the arms with curved lines down that go outwards and then back in. Now an upside down curve across the bottom that's longer than the arm lines. And another one under this one. Now connect them on the sides with small wavy lines. Let's draw the hand next. Draw the thumb on the right here. And then a long U shape for the index finger. Next, add 2 curved lines on the left to close off the shape of the hand like this. And lastly, add a small detailed line inside here for the fingers. Now move to the right side of the body and draw a curve down and in. And then draw a line down, curving it inwards at the waist and then back out for the hips. Next, draw a line across the bottom. And then add a small curved line on her body at the top here. Let's finish off the bottom of her sweater dress now. Draw a bump at the bottom right and then angle it down and out. Now curve across the bottom to her hand. Let's draw her legs and feet next. Draw a curved line on an angle under the left side for the top of her boot. Now draw the sides of her leg like this. Let's finish off her boot now. Draw lines down from either side. And then a curved line across on the right here. And now the left side of the boot with a curved line down. Now close off the shape of a boot with a curve across the bottom. And then add the sole of the boot following the same curve. Let's draw the other leg and boot now. Draw the top of the boot here. And then add the sides of the leg above it. Next, draw angled lines down and inwards for the sides of the boot. And then draw the shape of the boot outwards toward the right like this. And then add the sole of the boot underneath. Let's draw her right arm next, which is half hidden behind her body. From her right side, draw a bent line down. And then a short line across the bottom. Next, add a wavy line down on the outside. And then add 2 fingers underneath like this. Lastly, let's finish off her hair by drawing her ponytail. From the top of the bow, draw a large S-curve up and to the left. Then a curve in at the end. Now another long S-curve shaped section of hair going down to about her shoulder height. Next, add a curved V section of hair down and in. And then one more curve into the arm. And that's it for the soft girlfriend. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.